Okay, here we go. It is Amber and I'm live and I'm recording this video for you, and this is something that I just decided to experiment with and I'm excited about it. But if you are looking for a better way to roast raw nuts instead of buying them from the store, this is totally for you, because nuts are the best way to break a fast, I think, along with an avocado. And if you do like half an avocado and then you have a handful of nuts, it is yummy, yummy, yummy. And you're going to keep burning fat. You're going to get a bunch of vitamins, minerals, and fiber back into your body. And you're using all the things that your body needs to kind of break down all that fat. So that being said, I think this is fantastic. I've been kind of playing around with it because I like roasted nuts. And the problem is, at the store, they're using the wrong oil. They're using the wrong salt. And it's not what you want to be putting in your body. But this is 15 minutes, so easy. It is, and I got the step-by-step in the instructions. So I've already put salt water in my nuts like this. This is hot. Now I didn't even try to put hot water in the microwave. This is just hot tap water out of my sink. So it's hot. This has been in here literally like two minutes. I don't think you need to put it in very long. And so I'm gonna go ahead and drain them. Drain the nuts. Now, mind you, these are just raw almonds that I got from Walmart. Whoops. There we go. And then I've got just a casserole dish here with some parchment paper. You don't have to use parchment paper, but I learned that it kind of scorches the bottom of your glass casserole. So today I'm going to try some of that parchment paper, and then I'm going to just spread these almonds evenly on my casserole dish, just like that. At this point, you don't have to put any salt on it. It's already got a little bit of salt on the salt water. So that's it. I'm going to throw it in that oven. Now, mind you, we full-time RV. So full-time RV, our ovens are different than regular conventional kitchen ovens. And so it says 300 up to broil, but broil's a joke. It doesn't work. Putting on my timer for 15 minutes. The broiler doesn't work, so it's hot. It's either on or it's not. It's either hot or it's not, and that's just kind of how my oven works. So I just got it on 350. I might bump it down just to 300. And then when this hits 7.5 minutes or so, 8.5, 7.5 minutes or so, I'm going to just go ahead and take my spoon. I'm going to go ahead and just mix that up a little bit. And then I'm going to move it back to this dish is what I do. I'll clean this, wipe it out, get it dry. I'll move the nuts once they're done roasting in here, and then I'm going to sprinkle just a little bit of avocado oil on them. And I'm going to sprinkle in my pink Himalayan salt. And this is absolutely the perfect way to do this. You can do it with almonds. You can do it with walnuts. I want to try Brazil nuts. I haven't been able to get my hands on some Brazil nuts. Those are the best ones for women with selenium. It gets all your selenium in your body within 2 or 3 a day. That's all you need. And then I've tried it with hazelnuts. There was a mix at Walmart that had almonds, hazelnuts, pistachios. What else was in there? Anyway, it tasted like caramel corn. It was amazing. And it just changed. It's kind of a game changer if you're looking to break your fast and you're tired of the raw nuts and you need something else in it. So, like I said, half of an avocado, a handful of these nuts, you are good to go. And it does taste like candy, so you got to be careful that you don't eat the whole thing, because the whole point is we want weight loss. We don't want to overeat either. So try it. Let me know what you think. I love it. It's a game changer for me because I like roasted nuts, and they're all made wrong in the store. And so making them here at home in 15 minutes is totally the easiest way to do it. If you have questions on how to do it that I didn't explain very well in the video, please let me know. But it is literally the easiest thing you can do. And you got to be careful not to overcook them. So don't go over the 15 minutes. I undercooked my last batch a little bit. I backed it off by about 2 minutes just to see. It's for me in my oven in this kitchen, it's 15 minutes. And so that's perfect. It's not burnt. It's crispy. It's like candy. And the almonds, I think, taste the best of all of them that I've tried so far. So anyway, I hope you like this. I'm wrapping up the 7-day POA program, getting it all So whatever. I'm getting it self-generated, so when you opt in, you're going to get everything every day. So it's going to optimize itself, and it's just, again, me with my learning curve having to move everything to the other site. But anyway, I hope you enjoy this video. Like it, share it, try it. Let me know what you think. Let me know what nuts you try roasting, and I will see you guys on the next video. Have a great day.